Yeah. Another one. Say what up, E?
What's happening?
You have made it to YouTube. Yeah, man, we out here getting our grind on. Once again, we are getting our grind on. This the hood to this Impala right here. It's the fender, the trunk to this Impala. Blood clot, stop me. So we getting all this together, man. We working hard to get this out. This is gonna be a showpiece when we finish. Got a lot of work to do, man. At the same time, we doing these dealer cars, you know. A lot of work around here. These are doors to the Impala 2. We got to get this Monte Carlo up out of here too. We're very, very close. I know you guys are tired of seeing this, as I am. But this is what I want to show you guys. Check this out. Amado, say what's up to you too. Where we going? Right here. You guys know what this is? Yeah. This is all of the stuff that we need. There's more in there too, but this is all of the stuff that we need for the BMW. And I'll show you at lunchtime exactly what I'm talking about. But this is all the rubber that we talked about that goes around the windshield, all the rubbers, the rubber seals that go around the back window. But like I said, I'll show you guys in a second if you don't remember.
Where's Da Vinci?
Yeah, they just wanna see me in the grave. Come out the law in the rave. Oh no, I can't wait. You can read what you sow in the day. I was down, now I'm up to the plate. Got a couple hits, cause you know I can't play. We gon' win it no matter what the shirt. Got the stick, we gon' bring it out the shirt. I was down below the commas. I put dollars on my head like I don't wanna. Yeah, I'm proud of what I did, I'm gonna come up. Yeah, you left me on red, so don't try to run. Want no smoke, then come in peace. Flow so foreign overseas. Got them praying, they like please. They want cheddar, not no cheese. Undefined, they don't get it, it's amazing. I was down bad in the basement. I would pray to God for a placement. I was never patient, I was always racing. Got me on the drive, that's a flagrant. Little boy, tell me what you chasing. We gotta do better, gotta be clever, gotta love more, that's a statement. Yeah, they just wanna see me in the grave. Come out the law in the rave. Oh no, I can't wait. You can read what you sow in the day. I was down, now I'm up to the plate. Got a couple hits, cause you know I can't play. We gon' win it no matter what the shirt. Got the stick, we gon' bring it out the shirt.
It's silver stubby, I was just inside of grave. When I resurrected in like 3 whole days. Shut up on my car, I had to sneak the A's. I might take a tenant because we the way. Walk around the house, got drip on anyway. They gon' eat it up like it's a dinner date. Seen a Lambo, claimed it on the interstate. Fame is nothing when it's Jesus in the stage. On the front of silver, it's the game. I feel my calendar, I'm losing track of all the days. Call me water boy, and I was giving lemonade. I was sitting on the bench, they had to put me in the game. I be from the data, they said ashes in my veins. Gotta shit, guess what, I'll never be ashamed. Pushing on the birthday when I know it's gonna be great. It's still they celebrate you when your family gon' hate.
They just wanna see me in the grave. Come out the law in the rave. Oh no, I can't wait. You can read what you sow in the day. I was down, now I'm up to the plate. Got a couple hits, cause you know I can't play. We gon' win it no matter what the shirt. Got the stick, we gon' bring it out. And I'm bad like I never left. They just treating every song like another check. I'm pulling up to every court and I'm calling next. They try to end me, now I'm stopping my foot on their neck. You'll be surprised what they do for attention. God looks into your heart and intentions. I see you judging in all of my mentions. I'm out the grave, I thank God for redemption. Now I'm taking it a step at a time. My future is bright like I turned on the lights. It's crazy how I see them right through the blind. I used to fix planes, now I'm catching these flights. Don't hit my DMs with arrogance. I gotta do it with excellence. I'm reaching the needy.
Came out quite good if you ask me. Still not done, still not done. I'll show you guys the finished product when it's all put back together. But just giving you a quick little update. Buenos dias. We're back at it. Oh boy, listen to the beautiful sound of the G-Wagon 63. Oh, this is baby mama's favorite right here. I got some work to do, man, because I gotta, before it's all said and done, I gotta get this is baby mama's dream car. Her first dream car was that CLS, if you can see it. You know what the CLS looks like. But now she's graduated to bigger and better things, which is the G-Wagon. She doesn't care if it's a 550 or, you know, a 63. I want her to have the 63 because that's been my rider for a very, very long time. So, you know, that's my dog, man. That's my best friend. So I got to, you know, I gotta bless her. One day I'm gonna bless her with this G-Wagon 63. So, you know, ride with me as I go on this journey to getting her not only her dream car, but getting mine. And look at Cruz about to crash up the car. Look, we ain't even finished it, and he about to crash it up. Look at this dude. Anyway, let's get on with our day, y'all.
He's playing tricks and hiding all your toys. He loves to sing, he makes a lot of noise. Tiny and cute, a monster with a smile. Hat, tie, and boots, he's got a lot of style. He's sailing rubber duckies down your hall. Your train tracks running all around the wall. He loves to joke, he'll try to make you laugh. His family come from the watermelon star. You afraid of monsters, he would be so sad to know. He's really very friendly from his head down to his toes. He asked me not to tell you, but he'd like to be your friend. He's a greeny winter span. He's sticking cotton candy on your door. And blue balloons, he's floating on the floor. His clumsy hands are traveling so far. He didn't mean to sit on your guitar. Are you afraid of monsters? He would be so sad to know. He's really very friendly from his head down to his toes. He asked me not to tell you, but he'd like to be your friend. He's a greeny winter span. Are you afraid of monsters? He would be so sad to know. He's really very friendly. He's got magic in his toes. He asked me not to tell you, but he'd like to be your friend. He's a greeny winter span.
And we're all done here. So the customer's coming to pick this up right now. So say goodbye to the $300,000 G63, y'all. In No Drama Baby Mama's dream spec. satin black with the red guts.